Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Horse Stuff with Jeff. Yeah, I got a little project here today. It warmed up quite a bit, and my culvert's plugged up, so these horses are kind of in a wet spot. So yeah, stick around. We'll see if we can get that fixed up, and we'll go from there. I'll show you what I'm doing. See, it's a little wet in here. Right over to the water. I had to pull this back. He used to sit in there, but it's icy. What happens usually in January, it warms up and then the water runs, and then overnight it'll go like minus 30, and then it all freezes up in the culvert and what have you. So, see, it's just sitting there, not going anywhere. So I gotta get this white team out of here, and I gotta get these girls over here fed. That'll put them away at the back. Close the gate on them, take the white team out. And then I gotta see if I can get these panels picked up out of here, get that shelter moved, and then I gotta go further east and get set up down there. I will kind of show you a little bit here and there, and then when it's done, see what I've come up with. It's gonna take a while. So I'll carry on. So I got some panels picked up here. I got another one in front of the shelter, on the other side. I got a gate here I'll need. I'm pretty sure these green ones I'm not going to get up. When they freeze down, they bust up. So hey guys, this plans I had here moving these minis isn't gonna work. I got a bunch of panels moved and what have you. I got all the horses together and they're actually being pretty good. The whites and the blacks, I tried putting them together before and it was a bit of a kick fest there. But I'll show you. The problem is that shelter, it's froze solid. I cannot move it. And I've got all these panels, dividing panels picked up. But the thing is feeding them without, I got to go through this water hole to feed them. So what I'm going to do is, because they can't have a shelter in here, and I'm not leaving them in here because this isn't spring. There's still winter left. And I don't want them in here without a shelter. So I'm going to move all of them back over to here without the divider fence. They're just going to have to get along, and they will. So that way these ones can come up here and they can drink out of this puddle or out of here, whatever. And the big horses can still come into this side and drink out of there. So that's my plan, but I'm going for a coffee. So I don't know. Makes it a pain. But I'm going to go for a coffee, come back, start fresh, and go from there. Yeah, so hey guys, went and had a coffee, got back, and got these horses straightened out. The best they're going to be. Like I said, the thing is we're not set up. We just got in here. This is our second winter. This summer coming up, we got a big project we're going to be doing. And then I'll have these little horses set up, and it's not going to be an issue. This will be the last winter of holy crap type thing. So tomorrow I'll come and pick up the rest of these panels and organize them. But for now, it's good enough. The blacks and whites are together eating. They normally don't get along that well, as long as I can keep them separated. So anyway, that's all fine and good. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want, hit the subscribe button and what have you. So I'm gonna get rolling, and you guys have a good one.